Mr. President, good morning.
Good morning.
Nais po ng Kongreso na amyendahan ng rice tarification law to allow the NFA to sell cheap rice in the
Yes.
markets. Will you support this initiative
Yes.
and will you certify it as urgent?
Yes, it is something that has come up that we are so that ang problema kasi kaya tumataas ang presyo ng bigas dahil ang mga trader ay nagko-compete. Pataasan sila ng presyuhan sa pagbili ng palay at wala tayong control doon. Kung magkaroon ng mga amendments sa NFA at sa rice tarification, sa NFA charter at saka sa rice tarification law, magagawa natin, makokontrol natin, meron tayong influence dun sa presyuhan, sa pagbili ng palay at sa pagbenta ng bigas. So that's what we are going to do.
Will you certify the bill as urgent, sir?
Yes, I think it justifies an urgent certification. Thank you.
Thank you.
Next question, Tuesday New.
Good morning, Mr. President.
There you are.
Sabi po ng Department of Education na isubmit na raw po sa office po ninyo yung recommendation para sa mga panukalang ibalik yung calendar, school calendar. Gawin na pong June ulit yung pasukan as soon as possible. Ano po ang tugon nyo po dito?
Well, of course, hiningi ko yan sa DepEd and I asked Inday Sara to give me already a concrete plan because mukha naman, hindi na tayo kailangan mag-antay pa. At mukha naman kailangan na. At I don't see any objections really from anyone. Especially with the El Nino being what it is. Every day, you turn on the news, F2F classes are canceled, F2F classes have been postponed, etc. So talagang kailangan na. So yes, that's part of the plan that we are trying to do to bring it back already to the old schedule. Yeah, I think it will be better for the kids.
Will this be implemented by next year na, sir?
Hopefully by next year, yes, by next year, matatapos na.
Last
Thank you.
question, Maricel Halili.
Hi sir, magandang umaga.
Good morning.
Sir, may mga panukala po na lagyan na ng water cannon yung mga vessel natin na pumapalaot. Will you give the go signal on that, sir?
No, what we are doing is defending our sovereign rights and our sovereignty in the West Philippine Sea. And we have no intention of attacking anyone with water cannons or any other such offensive, I would have to call them weapons dahil nakaka-damage na. So no, that is not something that's in the plan. The last thing we would like was to raise the tensions in the West Philippine Sea. That's the last thing, and that will certainly do that. So hindi natin gagawin. We will not follow the Chinese Coast Guard and the Chinese vessels down that road because it's simply it is not the mission of our Navy, our Coast Guard to start or to increase tensions. Their mission is precisely the opposite, is to lower tensions. And that's right. So that's why all we do is pagka nangyayari, we know water cannon yung mga barko natin, ay nagpapadala tayo ng demarche, nagpapadala tayo ng sulat sa China and the other stakeholders. So that would be the opposite of what we are trying to achieve, would be to put some kind of any kind of cannon on our ships.
Thank you, Mr.
All right?
President.
Sige, salamat. Thank you.